Guys, my dad brought me something cool. What's this? And there's more right over there. Oh, that is DIY Hello Kitty. You see it? Tell me in the comments if you see it. Jamin, 9:30 ako matutulog. Just look at it. Here. Can you hear it? Look at the comments and see if they react to happiness if you like this video. Gosh, guys, look at this one. This is so funny. Look. Yeah. Yun lang, parang yung unang. I mean, yung black kit na lang. Guys, I have something to show. Ate Jamin, i-ano mo nga. I have another one. Thank you. She's going to sleep. Huh? No. Wait, let me smell it. Parang candy, no? But
Do not heal it because it's gonna be syrup. Because it's just normal. It's like this. Oh, that's soft.
may cotton ito. Yeah? Then how did they make a squishy?
It's not cotton. Like, yung parang ganito niya. Really sabay. Me? See. It's coming back. That one is soft. No. Hindi daw yan pag hindi lang. So, dapat yung ginaganto yun. Diba? Yung hahaba.
Yeah. Let me scratch her tummy. I love Hello Kitty.
Let's go.
Alam nandiyan, that's Chromie. Si My Melody nasaan?
Ako sa mga medal.
Oh, Mino. Nino. Kasama si Ate Josmith.
Sorry.
Ba't may parang ganito? Ne? O yan?
Talagang ganun. Tiyan mo.
Bakit?
I don't know.